Testele things kitty to one cadence lang into a paper that can't paper some malaka show and it are getting the Ransugi curricular Tunyarishu and the can so the next Losargi chene Losan needs seen the next our dug in the canans or carrier chungudu canans or carrier achieve chi to canans or carrier changes yungudu on the collar during Tuyan la shera during on the collar tiro to Annie Tadi do Nansugi Kare Chirishuana. Reading the pay detailed Chinipe Ringudo Chichato Durati na Lotaki Nini Shayu, Chivalang Sabache, Taku Sabache, Dukdul Sabache, that look Sabache, that drink tail that cha. And can I get that tail yana chai and banangendung the Kanagi to rail and shera. And can I get Tabote chain you are judging on the year and so it is the description on the shaggy yield and shaying. Testele telo da so de kiranzo ki chidura ta tabotingi kiranzo ki chidu tawa duk de kandido shitigi dura kandido chungido kiranzo le go and karili gidu ani on de ni karila ora kiranzo ki kare trek chido on di kolera and tambo okay tambo kiranzo ki di chik tungido da tanda ba to chik kiranzo ki semna kejedo chik sim de ni malu ni da sim de yugo do shitungido da on di sim o kejedo ki simple disquality yo on de do shitungido da Tadi Karini in Sir Kajila Domani Chungo de Oranyarte and do the Kaji recently and the Chikmadiwa Dochi Chung and Simna Lanyarte and in Sigre some Gidra. Contra Simna Lachik Yu in Kanansogi. The young di Lega and Madik and in Syrian Mikashi Kitchen de la Brakinana recently and in Sigre and the Lega and Matu Bra on the Diana Akinagi heartbreak to chat to them. Counter chick the sadness to Chidrakin on the kitchen quality they get to similar number some to Mampo Namto to Mampo Chikur they got on the day to cheating to land share than that. Tikinala than the Chungura. Teaching the Kiranzola, Tawa Duk Tikina energy the Dukiranzola. Queen of Pentacles, the Tika Tilly you do in Kiranzola. Tawa Duk Nala Kiranzo energy change courage to show in a financial so yung bob tan de pe yak poche ko ne thumbu do che ni so pe chiklele do de ma se dandu pe sim sang do pe mi sim sang bu do de de energy li do kinan zura chitan kinan so sim sang bu yugire dinga dandu tawa duk dinala sim sang bu shuk chiri sim sang bu do che ni nim chung chung do chira ta di nim chung chung de yang zo ke ko chi me ni nim chung ta be di mai ba ji Kirala Sama Yugi ni Kiragi that be him to Jutabesh, undi energy chilidura. Kirana Paljo don't chew up you go, you go, legacy in the lega, you go, lopchong in the lopchong to so lopchompi yapuducha. He needed no yapu, I chill and the Porsche me watch him chung me. So you get the show up may go give him chung. Oh, they did obey him chung. Down to earth, one the day which energy to do la share next out of the Nalakiran, so energy now change, Kiroshim, Kajetan, the Kiranzo Taran, you hear it, Kajetanda, Tautum Nalone, the day energy now change, lead to Kiranzo. Okay, that is in Kadli the Juan, the Kashi young Kiranzo, and they do you see that. Supola Nasa can you do taking it a day, you see Kaji Draya, Kaji Kiranzo and the Ingria, that mixing lega and the game or che legato suiting a career path, so ye career ganlani lega setting it a day, you Sarikanazora, young Kaji career post to the Lopchong Lidira. The Mampala Sozola Yapin to each the Lupchong Kachi when Asami, Karichango in a Lopsing Dochina, Karilingo in Asamedo down the League Kiranzo, mind like these some of the day you start confusion to The Wodigila Tower took the Nalakiransola solution Ragitulan take to in a clarification you could do Rakarido. And the okay, the Kiranzo Kaji that are so in the current situation in a Chiklunish Shabachila to you to attend to be doing and share Rakiranzo. Came by the Zoda and didn't trade the young spiritual path near the card the spiritual path like Yura Kajilan, the cardinal Kiran Salasama Yori Kirangi you get some much shiny chick taring boot to your the cardina. The dean in your spiritual path like Yura Kajilan. Chick that chick meditation center to the chicken to chick come yamlin chega to the chu cola chick janga to the one long sugar to the and the lama chick de la pesha de la one nang to the so sama on the la one long to sugar to you make up so nang kang ba ta sacha ta so cario and it's sama shani to gyora all the energy rang to the tautuk na lakiransola on the cook up chick chung sari la shwera. Okay, and the do what's next? And the Kiranzo, okay, Takaji to new chan, the Kiranzo chick, Sawachi go to Yashuk to the D card, the leave this Sawachi rat, Dindu, Kiranzo gave 다 대화되게 가시 싱글링이 되죠. 양 소소 대화인데 싸워치 고츠야도 인시그리 다와도 되나라. 양 계란소 가시나 양 다기 내가 쓰이딩이 되리도 계란소기 치도 아니 내가 치 다와도 되나라 고츠야 디엔 튕기도 다와도 되나 계란기 내가 치 고츠기와라. 어디 리더 시팅기도 아니 직강다 싸워치 그리시라. 어디 계란이 배 되바 여기 배 나와 끼우는 거네 고츠게 치면 어디 리더 시팅기도 싸워디. 다디 전에 하트 브레이크 돌리기도 kiranzo oni ta nge simbalara kiranzo na mangbo chi heartbreak shuk chimbo chi ni ondi simna la shuk chimbo khorde chi samlo de khorde do ja manga la duzu chi la de chung so ala ni samlo khorde do da kashi recently heartbreak do cha do da kashi ngoma ni chi mi de zo ma de wa do chi so chi chi ding mas la samlo khorde yo ondi ne kiranzo energy chi shuk chimbo li do nga chalara chik yusari kiranzo simna la kecha chik sim de kyu me gyo do cha de chi yusari yana di so so leka do da ende mading ni in series am gidura leka tan de ga shuk chimbuli du ani kaji ya dewa na la shuk chimbuli du dewa na la kaji ji ya so so de mi du sa me do da ji takta mi du sa me do da de ji jung ma song sa me do da de ingire okay ani kiranzo la new beginning okay new beginning kokop sangbo ji kiranzo cholo chu yungdu kiranzo gi grave je shingudu je tuwa che odu singwa marda tuwa che odu kiranzo la kokop sangbo ji chu yungdu kaji ji che do kiranzo ta supu na sa kan yido the dingi de yusare kiranzo na la digi gi che do minchu ba che kokop sangbo ji li sare da wa du dinana an kiranzo yang kaji ji financial ngui da de gi kan ki dingi ra so so lega da de suel tang de ga la ka sorry mitse dunam yakpo suya kala kiranzo chik user yo da struggle to user live da dige gi chido ya tawa tuk na kiranzo lo kokap ya tak chu chi li du mo di kiran ge simto wa cheu do ya na di kokap di kirala chik chilo ni li ri ya na kiran ge samlo na la li okay na di cheu la shi me on te de do chi energy li la shera hangsa ya po chi li du di simto wa cheu do la shera kiranzo okay da kiranzo gi ta 수 단다 kiranzo wa energy radi ani di da kiranzo la su yungya chi yora da sangi nang da energy da waduk na kiranzo la gywa khare khare yungu du tsura okay on di da na okay four of pentacles 단다 kiranzo this chicken the financial da de kan ye trading ye de zo chi dura da waduk din na kiranzo gi 항상 이 saving 약 보 지도 it means saving ka de shi da bu yung bob 약 보 yu cha di la bob saving chi da saving 약 ta je chi do ya on di de kiranzo gi ra 항상 이게 세빙 치기가 땡기도 같이 치기도 쌤 가래다다 쌤나라 강이도 숙침보시다 온데 기란속이라 류기 매어도 뜸이도 다 디바이나 기란속 강톡톡 다어톡이나 류치 겨도다 디야 소소라 가이던스 되시요 기란속이다 쌤나 강이 숙침보도시 중 온데다 파스기 강이래다 파스랑아 되지 중소디 아부 중마 소소소다 디 아부 중마 소소메도 같이 양 guilt 인시리 같이 양 regret 인시리 같이 양 sadness to the unfair sameshota ti takta dingma so sameshona okay 기란속이다 온데 데도지 직 딩마 송 사메시 셈라 티 심데겨 딩이 덴티 슈침보 요서리 기란소나 라비버나 오 되게 기치도 가이던스 카릴리도 슈와이나 next our duk dinala kerange odi sim tesi magyapsra azo sim nala onde chik do chik sim den sim ta odi sim gyode gorang azo aji comfort cha jo mind ge comfort cha ani le ta ma do e jo onde re cha ingura ti di kerana guidance karli du ta di kerange do chik sim de kyu me gyo chung de di comfort mare le tang la cho odi guidance li du kenan so sim de ngi de chi do da chitan ta kenan so the next mix gaming in this which is the financial ras saving shukchi muchi gyo dinan tungi dolen shwera okay the emperor ligidra queen of pentacles kangala the emperor ligid wow kiranso ge energy be down to earth yapun yim chung chik chung dira kiranso la fu the opposite energy chi kiranso cha chola su yungu dolan tegido da di kiranso ya singling in dan de legi chi do ingire okay the emperor energy lead the emperor energy lead be mi da shin ya po gyo nyam yu po sa gyo ani kare do shore mi ti mi sena la nyam yu pe ma po sa sa zang mi di pe nyem ba kyewa ani kewang la na ti mi kewang ani mi da chukpo la ne ti mi nyargin tede chigda kira ta pomu ge energy ring ba na kira ki bu energy tede yana kira bu energy ba na kira la pomu tede le tede gang kira ki chola energy shuk chimbo chi su yungu du la shwera ani chirda na kira already relationship na la yungin de zo sasang na la yungin de zo chi du di kat kare tung gyur la na kira zo nyira 참된 축침보 융토게 치tun겨 다 가질라나 키나게 에너지 feminine 갈 딱다 리투규나 아니 키나게 husband masculine 나라 딱다 리투규요라 this energy took the go aina namge this set this the short this koi je go de kirangi je shadow da kirangi je koi je do da this ji de took the go aina ta kirangi ge energy tak tak kana li dura korangi je go de koran ta je kirangi je go kiran ta je ani ana morangi je go de moran ta je kirangi je go de kiran ta je on de energy de so kana feminine dang masculine energy de tak tak so poda mo energy de so go de tak tak li du dusra on de je ni an kirangi na cham tunyang yung dusra 디싱이dos 아니 지단 양 계란도 가지다 양 already 다나 싱글이 내가 엔티다 라이프 파트너 도식 지금이 삼니 되죠 치도다 가르팅기도 쉬워하느라 계란도 지단에 심 나로니 비 미니바 장보 개왕 약보다 계란기 된디 지 요르다라 이니 단도 치로 밀라 직쇼 오프 치에 되게 큐니 마치에라 다 디스타다바도 디스타 쇼 오프 치에가 우도 로춘주 갑스테리 중기와 이네 다 된솔라 잉말레치라 down to earth mi penyam chung mi katsu level high level katsu kewang tombo imba ne dagamski mi chirang chodang de zonyem chung chung mali da ma nanglo ni katsu tocha ne chilo ne chedang chodang di mali da on di energy li dulan shera yang shida da ina mela do she de ni imba na ya tisik chiu shingi da ta che chik li da looking at lo chuma ka son di shi li da chik asigo yedo ten ko 다 공로에 치리치리 두둥 냠용 마르마르 사둘 시윤데 좀 마르마르 싱유두 아니 같이 낭로니 deep understanding 숙침벌리 용두 아니 치주바당 제당 주바 주술 조당 데서 패트랑 싱기 down to earth 님춘주라 오 디게 에너지 키나라 통기도 next start 디나라라 언제 리도시도 오케이 니 디가 키란조 라이브 스테이블 피 통구도요라 직간이도다 데리 큐니 마테 수보이네 대탕 심바이네 큐 아니 레가이네 딱다 소소 딱다 유교도 시도디게 온데 니게 에너지 통구도 키란조라 스테이블 라이프 라나티 온데 니게 에너지 통구도 오케이 다 디지네 Queen of Pentacles, oh my god, kiranzo la kingdom queens can get lead. Dawa duk dinala kiranzo hangsa ya kucherish. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles kana Queen of Pentacles. Okay, tatange tanta kiranla chik detail chik sure dira. Down to earth check do best stable life check exactly daga rang kirancho so yungudo. The energy kari dulan kiranzo dada lega tan tene kana tis kanye trading ide career dulam misi dulam kana tis kanye trading ide kiranzo tan la yosare lopchong pogu ina yang kiranzo lopchu yimba na lopchong tan de tola tis chik sim nigi mindu la cha shin liya gala sim nigi mindu knowledge liya gala sim nigi mindu nawa yengi dula ngi de zo tang ani kiranzo chik ti tola kanye trading ichi to adanda ani career path tan de gala leka kana leka kadura leka khande chori leka kani ragyo na kokap de kani ligyo na on de samlo ki ne sim de trading ichi to kiranzo da Tegegi chiri next hour tu dinala kiranzo lega ra kokap ra watang matse kiranzo ra stable lega hangsagi stable lega yakpuragi yo ondi tungido ndigi chini sozolo yungbab yakpu yo ra stable yungbab yo ondi tungido ra yungbab income pesha ragi yo ra tawan ta yaktachu yo ondi le tendegi energy ra Queen of Pentacles la da pesha gi gemo kirangi kat na ligi dra ta ti indi ondi de yapudo hangsai de sindego midu Kiranzo naatsa tis supo ine kanyi trading inde zola yambayne next hour tuk tele kiranzo ra supo trading yapu chagyo tungidu kiranzo ira trading ala lega che yapu chagyo minjuru ba kiranzo la ligido kare minjuru ba ikoga ba ondigi chene kiranzo stable life tawa tuk tena la be supo trading ine yapu chagyo onde ne tungidu sorry ani kiranzo la de 3 of sword kana 3 of sword wani kiranzo kaje mang puchig na la ra ti card repeat kana ligido de 3 of sword ra dinzo kare la heartbroken Katra, the recently heartbroken child or the past heartbreak do chaya, kill me do chaya, the Sabacunia, Kuado Shukimbo Nesol and the Sozola Juniara, Kuna Shukimbo de Junior, the Zoichidu, Cardelidu, and the Cardele you do any dinner to your Canazora. The same than a sim day to Lutan lady, Shukimbo Canazola message, Rachel and Shera. Chitanic down to dinner can you Lutan, you think the same Nalakani, you get the Canazo. Chick Jones, Chinjudio, and the Kajachi in English, Chinjudio, similar. Kanyama misena kanyama bote de insi kaje chi do ke kinan zo story de insi be kanye tes la changa chungdule ye kanye tes dokcha kanye tes la ne onde kanye de sim de tanda kiran zo misi khande yapo chagyo ane the surroundings khande yapo chagyo ane so so bajo long chu ngene re kare ngene ni ba ne kazo yapo chagyo ane sim nang la onde chik nyangyo chi ro onde kiran zo lu ma thone chik sim de jo dikiran ge identity do so sar kaje jigira so chung la kan chuk chum chum ta ding ya identity redo chik sim negativity di pat kora sim ta chik comfort to masona undi tang chik wonde ne to chik char so lu ma to de insar kaji ji chi du di repeat kan li da di indu kiran zo la confirm wonde kiran zo la viewer mang bu chi wonde di user kan yiting okay ni kiran zo la dirang resha ta kiran zo di identity mare la jo tanda kiran ge ye yun di la khari do chi tu do di la ta che on di yapu tu do asti in past the past re ni kanye the za re in sim te wa di che ni kiran past la repeat life ki yo re la jo past la ni kiran la kale the di charge the ris ra ta da kiran go de samlo tang di go de past na zui di yo ra repeat kan kiran ge on di to zui di do di ki yo ris ra di healing che go kiran zo de sim de ni chi do on di ge chang ma chi do message kare do da duk din na gang tok tu yelu tang chi ge past re do sare kanye ta thi re kayo marine ta move on chi le on di message li do ke kiran zo chi do heal che go ya ra le lo to yo mar te ne da kali sa da duk lo di mong bo da kali heal che okay ta di du la jo on de ne shimba on di sim la ma su on di su bule na sa kali manifest kar chi su bule na sa manifest chi on di ya bu ma ne sim de da on di ran ting du len share da di so ta da switch the message de di repeat kan le di kiran so mang bo chi the message rish and di into so on di sim di chi da okay da empress pregnancy kaje chi da chani sa chi kiran so ko so du shwa di ra di khari ri du shwa na ra pregnancy pu korea kiran so ta sasang na la ta da pa to pu do me che ya na pu chi yo che da nyu di planning do chi gyo na ta wa duk din na la kiran so la pu du okay pu iran exactly kat li ti kiran so chani sa wa di yang pu chi ke ya sasang na la ni rang ni yo na ta ko ni pu chi ke wa na ni yang chi chani sa wa chi cha ra on di rang tu gi do na shwe na okay di jini heartbreak kala kari 5 of pentacles okay the heartbreak oh my god heartbreak do kinan so la yora okay ini daw duk din na kinan so kang to move on chali to ya pudo yo ani pregnancy ki card la new journey pregnancy card ya ligi du ani di jini kari king of cups okay daw duk la kinan so ki best of the best energy de yakshu card yakshu kiran sola da ko kop sawa chi li da di je ni kiran gi mi se grow to do ke grow ya shu chu to do grow ka ka na to shu na ra so gi samlo khe dang dang chi gyora chi na no di emotional ka na grow shu chu to ya di tu gi do la shu era emotionally hang sa ya chi chi du ka chi ni shu na da kiran la ko kop sang bo di li ko kop sang bo di indi insira ya na kiran gi de ba yu nang shin chi ya na mi do chi so lai partner ra ya de ba yu nang shin gi so la lega chi ra ya de ba yu nang shin gi kiran gi chi du yu chi kiran gi chi tu ya 또 어디기 전에 걔랑 항상 이게 되바 생겨 되바 관계 로 생겨 배소소소 간라 satisfaction라 어디 예식 좀 못된 게도 나와 죽진 않아라 어디기 전에 아니 배소소 교차도 되게 높고 지금 누가 도지 요라 셈나라 도부 도지 어디 류투야 저 가지나 소소 배 교게 에너지를 간리 윤두 교 매겨 되게 정말 류투야 어디 에너지 리도케 다와 죽디디 name fame success oh my god tita peche lota khangsang na la list kherang zo ya name fame success do okay kera nyenda ge card re dira andi ngala dalo lo di me bota illo kera nyenda chidu yuna lamsang cha re do ga chewa ne re ya ga chewa ne re lamsang kera nyenda so so cha gi chance pe shuk chi bo re so di ke shigora exactly kina zo kera nyenda ge card ni so teaching as a blessings de thank you na zo chiketa du na ming this you go so do samye de zo chi do hansa ya ko blessings resha okay and the kiran zo na heartbreak mang po chi dura di de ni kiran zo la past ke mi din zo ita message kare kare shag do chi ta ora so kiran zo sim na la yo de ta ra on de ta chi heartbreak che so ju me ge so la ngi zo gi yin sir ta ya message tina chi ta ora irreplaceable sadi loya or kapodo chasra te card lidura ani kira de irreplaceable race the way you love can never be matched okay kira gi mi chilo pe se wa shuk chimbu chi gi oina di kira gi se wa do shimba su chi gi match chi do mi du hang sa kira gi se wa po ji so la ne appreciate chi do ya kira on the message gi do dara su chi do forgiveness okay forgiveness ki card lidura I'm struggling to get over the past okay ani kira zo kaje chi the heartbreak de kari by na ne love kan heartbreak cha ne easy okay kira zo kaje chi chi ta dil ani kira ki Pachudi by ne the move on chiadani past it but it will couple chungutus on the day can get you message shagdura and forgive chiro chase condas can on the message shagdo okay can heartbreak chingy condasra can hansa me a puchi rishasra irreplaceable can do me down going to induce me exactly cuba tunguya me message letter do that only can answer the heartbreak chingy to chungu na only cuba tungu da ya heartbreaking the love lifeline by there hey kira so gira pass the best friend in by there pass the me the group can na marab daughter by man te so sama ira kuba tong to konzo mize na okay danda andi chini indecisive I know my inability to make a decision hurts you ale decision takalin ma to ya do chikishi I know my inability to make a decision hurts you nge ki takta the future decision to takta lin ma duwa che kina zungi parolara ani ondi ki chenin kina la pe se ba ki me ge suyo re la the end of message li da kina zo si chi de ta so so lin dara okay ni future love ka to chi li yan kina zo la ka ji chi the s of only the future gidi chi tingira dressing up an opportunity to dress up and party fun time ahead okay kina zo la the party che do su chi li do sara on de lan shi go fun kyu chung re sha san kina dress up ing chi mo bu ba ne po mo so dress ing chi wo ko ni party de la dreja to lo ing chi mo ko ni party la do on de party hang sa kyu chung ya on de ge ka chi li do kina zo la upcoming da do din la okay Indung di ring po do chi cha so ni kina zo la ne message de hang sa nge detailed reading che try chira so la tata resonate che pere wa yo resonate che so na comment section la resonate la ni tina nga lo de udo che dra okay ya po do era so ngebi energy shuk chim lu ra da o de lu de pen do ja sa mai chang ra de ko chung dra di kiran zo gi resonate la ni bi di we na nga ko chung du okay ani kiran zo gi like tang subscribe che wa de le tu ji che la ni shwe yi ani ngir de che Tashidelek, if your animal sign is monkey, then this reading is for you. This reading is about what energies are going to be, what changes are going to be. It's better to say what changes are coming in your life for next 6 months. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 10 of Swords. Right now, I feel like you are going through some heartbreak, or this can be from your past. Like from the past, you are carrying something very deep in your heart, like heartbreak, betrayal, or there's something in your heart, okay, you are carrying it, you're feeling bad about it, and you are trying to carry it in next 6 months. So the guidance is telling you that please release that from your heart, from your mind. Please don't carry that. You are carrying something in your mind, okay, that's traumatic, or there's betrayal, heartbroke or something, okay, you are carrying that, and I think you are trying to make that your, how do we say, comfort zone. I think that's in your comfort zone, okay. So you feel like, oh, this is my identity. You're feeling like that right now because you're holding it for so long right now. That's why the guidance card is telling you to release that. If you have that kind of thing in your mind, then please try to release that. That's not your identity, okay. Your identity is peaceful, kindness, generous. That kind of negative is not your identity. So please try to release that in next 6 months. That kind of message is coming for you, okay. After that, for the next 6 months, your energy looks I was about to say chirtangme. How do we say chirtangme in English? Actually, your energy is very positive, down to earth, and you're very simple. You love to be in a simplicity, okay. You love to live simple life. That kind of energy is coming for you. And for the next 6 months, you're going to meet a person. If you're single, you're going to meet a person. That person has a masculine energy and very knowledgeable, or like rich person, or very like experienced person, okay, is coming into your life. If you're single, okay, so if you're in a relationship, then your partner is going to be like masculine, and you're going to be in a feminine. And if you are male, then you are going to be in a masculine energy. You're going to be in your own energy, and your partner is going to be in her energy, which is feminine energy. Okay, so because of that, now there's lots of harmony in your relationship. Okay, for next 6 months, that kind of energy is coming. Like, if right now it's a little bit like ups and downs, then that's not gonna be there for like next 6 months. Like, your energy is going to be in a perfect place. Okay, that kind of messages coming for you. And if some of you, even if you are a student, or if you are looking for a job, or looking to make your career life better, financial life better, then for the next 6 months, I see that you are gaining that, like, gaining lots of opportunities, lots of prosperity, lots of money, and you're feeling very good and stable. You are looking very stable in the next 6 months, and you are making lots of money. Okay, and if some of you may be going through some illness from the long time, then you are going to find the solution to beat that illness. Okay, for next 6 months. After that, you are going to feel very peaceful and healthy in your body. Okay, that kind of energy is coming for you. And after that, some of you, I think some of you are going to be deeper level in spiritual path. Okay, and for some short time, you are going to leave everything behind, and you are going to go in a spiritual path. Like, you are joining some meditation center, or this can be anything. Okay, tsokpa, chitsok, that kind of thing. You are joining them, and you are going to pray and meditate, and like lots of rituals. Okay, you are going to do that for next 6 months for some of you. Now, because of that, if you're holding anything, the grudges, loneliness, or sadness in your heart, so because of that spiritual path, you are going to release. Okay, release all the thing. You can release all the thing in next 6 months, and you are going to feel better. You are going to be healed in next 6 months because of that action. Okay, that action. All right, so after that, some of you, I think this is for most of you, you are going to start something new in next 6 months. Okay, this can be for some of you. This can be like, if you are in a relationship, if you are married, and you are planning to conceive. Okay, for next 6 months, you are conceiving. Okay, so this card, look at this card, she's pregnant. Look, yeah. So if you're trying to conceive for so long, now is a good time. Okay, in these 6 months is going to be very favorable. You are going to be very fertile to conceive. Okay, and for some of you, you are going to starting something new. Okay, you are starting something new in a business, new career path, or new relationship, and you are going to feel very good about that as well. Okay, and all right, after that, your card, it's like Three of Swords again. Okay, you have been heartbroken, or something is there in your mind. Okay, so like, you're feeling very bad because of that thing. Okay, that situation, some situations are there in your mind. Okay, so for the next 6 months, you are releasing that because of you are finding the solution, or it's like you are finding a way to make your financial life better. Because of that, I think you are going to be healed, or you are going to release all these heartbroken things. Okay, that kind of card is coming, and some new beginnings coming your way. It's like new opportunity, the very good opportunity is coming to you. And this can be for your career. Mostly this is for your career. Very good opportunity is coming for you. For some of you, this can be relationship also. Okay, you can expect that if you're single. And most of you, this is career path. You are going to find a new opportunity, very good one. Okay, because of this opportunity, you're feeling very good, and you're emotionally very satisfied, and your emotional are stable, and your workplace, you're working very, you are satisfied with whatever you have received this. Okay, because of this, you are feeling very satisfied in next 6 months, and you're happy, stable life, satisfied, emotionally stable. Okay, very nice card is coming for you. Because of you have lots of heartbroken in past, I have pulled some past relationship cards. Okay, so the first message is irreplaceable. The way you love can never be matched. Okay, this is a message for you from your past person. Okay, so this can be anyone. So if you feel like resonating you, then only you can take these messages. Okay, so irreplaceable, that the person is telling you that you are irreplaceable. The way you love him or her can never be matched. So they are regretting, I think, badly. And forgiveness card, forgiveness message is coming for you. I'm struggling to get over the past. Okay, he or she is struggling, they are struggling to move on. Okay, that's why they want you to forgive them. Okay, so I think they are really regretting it right now, whatever they have done to you in the past. Indecisive. Okay, I know my inability to make a decision hurts you. They were unable to make a decision with you. Because of that, they hurt you, and now they are feeling bad about themselves. Okay, the message and the future message, future love message. Okay, dressing up. This is for you in next 6 months. An opportunity to dress up and party. Fun times ahead. Okay, so you are getting opportunity to go to the party and dressing up for that, and you're going to feel very happy, and you're going to have lots of fun time in that party. Okay, so that's very good for you for next 6 months. And okay, so some of you, as a blessings, you are going to be very famous in next 6 months. You gain lots of followers and supporters in next 6 months. Okay, that's your blessings. Okay, so I hope you received your message, and I hope you let me know in the comment section that if you watch this video in English, because I am putting my extra energy and time to create in English. So if you are watching, then if you're letting me know, then it's going to help me a lot to create in the future as well. So if not lots of people are watching in English, then it's very difficult to put my energy and time for the English. Okay, so that's why I'm asking, if you're watching, then please let me know in the comment section I'm watching in English. Okay, that kind of whatever you want to write. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, like and subscribing. I'll see you soon. Tashtalei chalo ta so ni kiranzo gi chidra next hour tuk dinal category chingudu detailed reading chigi la share ani tawa duk la tambo kiranzo gi energy kandi do shitidu ani tela pa ben kiranzo la yungu energy kandi do shitu ani love message category ligidu ani past ani future love category do the color detail tingira love message te the last tama dila tuen la share tingula kiranzo energy. Okay, the magician gi power kana deske ये चेतु की लाइक nga chibu yo kan ba ya ko yo lai so powerful kan la te de yin si re ana kena zugira leka che go sala leka che yang chu je go sala chu je o de do chi la spiritual path tang ani career path ni ka kan leka po chi yo de du su ni ka kan la tang yo de ting dura. Okay, nice energy ya good manipulative ke ga de she wa ni shi ba din zo ni lam sam mutu yo su tu ya ke che she ki o on de ting yo ra ka de. Okay, Knight of Wands. Passion follow chigyo mangbo chigida soso deba yoga na shingi leka chigyo de 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 leka ba ne re soso khari kala deba yo ndi kala duzo shuk chimbo tangyo de de do shi dura kiran so energy ani kiran so gi da tanda ga chik leka changma chiego e chi ra da tanda da kiran so gi da chie so e do da yargi tang e do da on de de kala duna shuk chimbo khaji lop to ba ne soso mi se lop chong yargi tang e do da de ne ingir khaji am business chigyo ne soso yargi tangyo de ingir ra ta tes chig 캡친보도 수에지 게치메 소소 레가디 캡친보 수에지 게 오데리 라네티도 데리기 리드라 오케이 네베 마디 सक्सेस 바프레타 디카트 다 페치 페치 로다 강사라 리스타 이니 달로 로디 다가랑 레이니 메보타이 로디 크리스 기요르 쇼나 라디라데 네페 सक्सेस 달 람상 중구리 소소 야가 치치와 레이금데 람상 코레죠 소소 야가 치종아네 제와 옛날 람상 소소 레이디 코라겐 레죠 소소 누가 치카리 제와 옛날 람상 코라겐 레죠 어디 가나 바벨 소소 nga ketang da chego samna lam sang keda chimbo chatu ya chira odi power talo lodi na la yortara talo ngana zo lodak ta de jeni na kare kam di mechi du dingi gi dum jadu nem fem mi lang shin ketang da chimbo suitu ya dira odi yor la shera 기란소에 단 소셜 미디어라 내가 지금 계단이다 두다 숙지 못해도 소소 지단이 지기 소셜 미디어랑 고마라 계단이다 제가 소소 코리우디나라 소소 내가 제서디나라 소소 내가 yap도 지쳐와나 예용이 미상마이 기란라 리고 나이스 지야도당 아니 기란 롭탈라 직 소소기다 지도다 롭타나라니 소소 이직 파티시페이트 도지 직 yap도 지 소소 자가도 지 톱직 지르니 시바상마 야마 큐피 아버 제소라니 남상 기란라 레코그나이즈 지야도당 온데 리기야 계단이다 라니티다 안디지니 기란조라 지단 개인 요식 침부케 거 여기 참만 예쳐 라이자 참만 예쳐 되게 인사를 기란조라 야나까지 지기치는 개인 큐네 킹이 맞아야 되게 이시르다 기란조 촉니도야 메시지라 엔데 이사 직전에 양아 게자만 랑키기 예치기 시바기 제왕아 되박 증미도 라이죠 가지 지기라나 아다가 개고 직미도 정말 시발 제주 되게 에너지 양 딱딱도 오지 거라다 밸런스 가나 어디 메와도 시도기도라 기란조지 다 소소 가와cho 될 리기도 직다더라 응 다진 티치니 기란조기 다워투 에너지 간디도 시티기도 쇼와나라 analyzing 라 계속 가리 쇼와네 삼로 땅 시교 삼로 가리 땅 와네 삼로 로그라 삼로 땅에죠 analyze 제죠 오늘이 thoughts 니 삼로 나라 에모 삼로 망보 리기도 있네 다 간디 야포도 간디 시기리기 남겨 속에 말이 약하지 얘네들이 아니 건서 기계 뒤에서라 오케이 오케이 spiritual path again 항상 얘기 리딩 항상 디카트니다 인지 교도다 백치 다 단다기 리딩로다 항상 다와두글라디 spiritual path 찍지 아니 계란이다 되기 파도르시 파다 비상마 spiritual path la doya sari chui dang de la shukchimbo de na english la on dichi ni so so kedangi da chimbo chaji oni pado르시 okay de kenan zo la diran ligi du 아니 야레 달로디 딱딱 된다랑 수교로 미양나 취어가나 배숙 첨부 잉리에다 숙돼도다 소소소 나로라 숙 첨부 잉리에다 교와 당이 돼도다라 취를 나온디라라 나로 라 교와 숙 첨부 당에게 온데도 디기 전에 소소 메디테이션 도제 취고라 정해도다 직 소소 네가 가리요데 상마직 샤니라 상마 소소 같이 직요다 샤니 니직 suggestion bachilada chudu changa doyala ne tidu chudu chega doyala ne tidu ya komnyam nindu chega doyala ne tidu onde my god 디카트 니 피치 더 리딩 강상 라 레슨 야 치다 다 강상 안다 다 로당이 하요라 딩외디게 강상 레슨 오케이 니 키란슬라 에너지 온데 디도 띵기 드라타 와트 디나라 인티 진다 키란슬라 다 유예디 카리가리 중구도 다 큐와 카리가리 리도 라디 다 디기 띵기라 오케이 4 of cups 키란슬이라 다와트 디나라 카리둘라나 다 키란슬기 큐와 카리도 치리기 두쇼에나라 kiransu chidani manipulative planet ido ine mi yapudo ine manipulate ta kicha kare ngebo shekyo ngone ta shimba changma onde de chi ne shibala chi convince chi tu ye chwa kiransu lo onde de power du yora kiransu lo power du kiransu ine nalo ne satisfaction shida megyo chiti sare relationship tang mix gi dewa de gelanya satisfaction shida megyo on ta teba singi midu yapo shida midu ni de ba yo na shin digi midu samedo da 이 윤기 미디서 ingala 되바 여기 나신 트리치 민두 서메토 다운데 중기 유시기를 기난줄라 아니 next 6 month 라 기난줄 온디 삼로케다디 체인치하기도 오케이 기난줄라 야푸치니 직 망부도 요라 야푸치니 서와치니 잡부치니 직 요라 더 relationship 날 망부도 오 되게라 되낭 숙체 제고 주에 기난기 다 오디 되낭 되기 제니 오니 아니 양타 두딜레 망아 소소라 야푸치니 고치니 서와치니 온디 망부 중에 저 소소 줘라 no the day do chitingi do kirala mabuchi attract chagi the day tingi do single in it zogi chidra attraction mangoli yo kiran sholong din de tungi dole shwe tadi jin ya the emperor card de le lisra nairo wants kiran so chidan sozo de bayu na shin gi lega che de sozo de bayu na shin gi chi che de go da no modi ga na kiran so le nyamnyong hang sai shuk chi bo sa gyo da wa du din na ani sozo ko ne ya tombo cha gyo ani di field kan la li yung du da ta kiran so ran re la cho on de de gira energy ligi du la shera hang sai gi no le shi butung du ta di jin ga li du kina zo mang che ji la ra di du te wa ta de gi kan la ra shidi shuk chim li du te wa ta de ga ra kina zo sem la shidi shuk chim bu chu gi sa ring ye sem bu chu gi mang bo sa ra ta de gi chi du ra sem la shidi shuk chim bu li du da tu tin la shidi ani te wa nang la ne cham thun ani res khala re respect tang cham thun 어디 shuk chim bu li du 파주 찍찍을 찍고 지야다 참든 지야도 삼시 지야도다 세와 지야도다 온디 슉침 불리기 둘은 쉬어라 온디 되게 에너지 찍리기도 다디 지니 카릴리기도 쉬어이나 Three of Wands, okay, yeah, Three of Wands kind of Three of Wands. Kinazo kita nyeda ta chik success tanda kinazo le chik jumbu da tawa tukti nala di jum hama se da do di kana kinazo chia chag do pe yakpo chimbu cha do kinazo nyemba tombo yakpo chik laura da chik karit sozo de ba yuna shingi de high level kana kinazo do tu du ra tawa tukti nala do tu ge energy li du da di tawa tuk pa do de mi do da di energy di ya shu tu do da tawa tuk ya shu tu do da losum pa do da yana 로숨 주바도 도도라네 티도 온데 디게 에너지 디 슉침부 줘야 되기도라 소소 여기 도티도 온데 필드 칸라 야 키나 저기다 다와두티나라 키나 저기 카리도 지나라 약고 뛴투고드라 온디 칸라 여기 도티도 키나 저야 무티니 death and rebirth 오케이 다 키나 저기다 긴 슉침부 키고야 도다 직 심나라 칸이 슉침부 키디야 도다 직 요라 심나라 키자인데 캔디 베 헤비도 chiku so to feel chaun de chungu sare ta dinzo gi chi do death and rebirth la du ta kiran so yon di kriya de ge samalu to ya samsha to ya di chinen kiran so sawa chi transformation la na ti do transform chaira sawa chi rebirth la na ti do de ta samlo ki dam bet ko change chaira de ra sim na la chi ki de do da de ge samalu to ya samlo bet change samlo ko na grow shuk chimbuli to ya kiran so yon de tu mi do ra oh my god, Ten of Pentacles, financial gain. Can also get some load of the pay, batang together, analyze your put share to the curry do share to any chick some lot on the share to the curry chair to any some loya put analyze your budget, see your put can check a draggy. Can also let chick do and the lead or the order to the Chuba wanted it, Chitan wanted it leader. Digi chini can also la carriera to show on the Ten of Pentacles, okay, lots of financial gain, prosperity, that. 균or paljo longche punsun sokpa yugo nang la jungya su jungya wonde de energy lidu kirada kiragi nangmi changma pe kyuchi ni de energy ra pe kip ka to kip ni de energy ani nang la shidi shuk chimbo le to nang la ga to kip de joyful gidu se wonde de do chikina chola su yungu ra ta ti chini kari lidu Knight of Pentacles okay kiranzara mangche chigi de soso di chue di chega trade langi da shuwa nang shingi ya kirangi chiri importance kari re dura kirangi namgi nga di chig chego samne di chena ani nge di di shani do re da for example nga lega ya puchi ke offer ra do city shimba chigla yana lungba shimba chigla ne won di chega do na nge gi nang mi pinche din zo nang la tharin pucha do re nang la de re tharin pucha re la do da won de gi kiranzo sim na sim de do chi yusarwa da kirangi da finally odi ngala step lingi do ke tadi kinangi chido gari bai ni si yang khaji yora danga ta chu do je do shawaina yang ngi gi nang la ta ge do mang ke go chura de gi sangmani la do ri la do da simdi do yu gi da ine kinangi da next da do gi nala kinangi do ba yu gyo nang shin gi sim nala ke de gi chi do ondi kinangi ondi kana tugyo alam ga di kana tugyo follow chi gyo ondi tingi kinangi passion to na passion follow chi gyo la na ti do ondi tingi do Seven of Wands, oh my god, they can I get stentling you the blessings straight that I took the can I get you the blessings? Can I get the way you get Nakshin Gala to you? Can I get a to a gala so in a step lingy you are at the about the team Marie something to the ending by that lingy or anything you do. Okay, and get on so you the love life, the love message to the chicken. Past love ki the past ki the sort of person to you and I so get a message carrier shagdura. Dishonesty la chili dura By lying, I ripped us apart. Kiran zuma shingi de chungu gire da ra kiran zuka chila. Ta dinzu gi chidu da dishonesty da ko dishonest shingi di cheni koran zo ngani ne khaga so di gi cheni ni koran ne gyoba du le dra koran moran karim ba ne ko gyoba yu la ne on de message li dra kiran zuma shingi de chungu gire ngi simbala. Conversation da chira. I want to call you and hear your voice. Okay, and kiran la kaji yang keje shingi du la chi message li dra. Kiran la fontan keje shingi du so on the message to pass ki message on the do chili do the so resonate china so le na ti yore la share message te ti chinta kiran gi kare li do future gi love message passion. Okay, keep the flame of passion alive. It's the heartbeat of love. Okay, love sewa na la passion la di mi gi chimbre kiran gi passion de follow chigyo ta tungi do chitane passion de ge chimpo race passion de chene sewa di heartbeat de so love de sewa de to gi ore la di message li dra chikra last imperfection. Love is a beautiful mess. Embrace its imperfection. Okay, sewa la di perfect de kiran gi samba na shi yung tu ma race ra ine imperfection race ra ine no the imperfection di korang inche mo re no the embrace che la chili do. Okay, so la resonate chigyo na ni message te lendara ani kiran sola resonate chigyo na comment section la resonate la ne tiru chida nga ine lo de wodu che do okay ngi gide time spent che de reading che energy ma bului ta resonate che sha shim shiba sola paint ho sha do ngara ine ko chung du ondi kebar su dra di ndu ngala comment section la resonate che na che so lan tiru chidara. Okay, ani kirangi like ta subscribe je badale tuje che lan shwai ani ngir de che yong Tashi Tilek. If your animal sign is Rooster, then this reading is for you. This reading is about what energy are you attracting in next 6 months from this loser, from this Tibetan loser, or what changes are coming your way. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the magician. Okay, you are feeling like I can do whatever I want, that kind of energy you have. Okay, you are looking very strong and manifester. Okay, you are manifesting everything. Okay, if you're in a positive vibe, then you're attracting the positive things to you. Sorry, and that kind of energy is coming for you, and you're manipulating your relationship in a very good way, and all people are attracting like and listening and respecting to you. Okay, that kind of energy is coming for you, and you are in a balance. Okay, balance, like you're doing the rituals, the spiritual, taking the spiritual path, at the same time you're working and fulfilling your, how do we say, responsibilities in your career path. Okay, that kind of energy, like in a balance, you're doing everything in a balance. That's good energy. Okay, and for the 6 month the energy changes, like sometimes you may be feeling like my relationships are not perfect, I expect this but I get this, like you are a little bit disappointed in your relationship sometimes. Okay, so if you're feeling like that, then for the next 6 months the change is that you are going to see you are going to embrace the imperfection in a relationship. Okay, you are embracing that, and a relationship cannot be perfect, right? So you're embracing the imperfection in the relationship, and you're appreciating the relationship. Okay, so because of that appreciation, you're going to attract more positive people, loving partners in your life. Okay, that kind of energy is coming. And all right, so after that, you are following your passion. You love to do something and you're following that, even if this energy is like right now, maybe right now you're following your passion, you follow whatever you want to do and you're following that and you're very happy in your life. Okay, that kind of energy is coming for you. For next 6 months you are attracting the Emperor's energy. Okay, this energy says that you are going to be knowledgeable, wise and rich and high level person. Okay, high level, like your life looks very stable in next 6 months, like, and you are very proud about yourself, little bit pride in there in your heart. Okay, or like for some of you little bit ego also. Okay, so you have to be a little bit careful about your ego. Otherwise, other than that, everything is very positive card. Okay, like very knowledgeable person and very high level and intelligent, wise man, wise women. Okay, that kind of energy. All right, so after that, eh, you want to expand your business, or you want to travel somewhere far away from your place. Some of you, okay, that kind of energy is looking here. And some of you are looking for like peace in a relationship, okay, peace in a relationship, especially in your love life or with your family members, okay, you're looking peace, and you're gaining that peace in next 6 months, okay, you're finding this that peace and mutual respect and that all thing in next 6 months, okay, that kind of energy is attracting. And some of you are going to be very famous in next 6 months, and you're going to achieve something very big. Even if you're in a school, you're going to participate in something and you're going to win that, and people are praising you, like that kind of energy is coming for you. Or if you're in a workplace, you're going to do some complete some great projects, and people are praising you and recognizing you, okay, you are gaining recognition in a workplace or business place or in a school, okay, wherever you are, okay. And if you are in a social media, then you are gaining lots of followers and you're gaining name, fame, money, okay. That kind of energy, and you are expanding that energy to the next level, okay. So it can be expanding, you are gaining that experience again and again till the like from this losar to next 3 years, okay, you're gaining and improving your that skill, whatever you have done, and you have gained that name, fame, success, okay, you're improving that and growing in that field for next 3 years, okay, that kind of energy. And after that, what else? Okay, so some of you are like you are taking lots of responsibility, you work everything, like if you feel you might be feeling like, if I don't do that, then I don't like to give responsibility to the others, like if they have done this, I'm not going to be satisfied with their work, so I have to do everything. Like some of you have this kind of thinking patterns, okay, like, or some of you are like, I don't like to take any responsibility. That kind of totally opposite energy, okay. So if you, whatever you have for the next 6 months, you are changing that habit, okay, you are bringing balance to take some responsibility and to give some to others. That kind of death and rebirth, you are changing yourself totally next 6 months, okay, in a better, in a good way, okay. And right after that, what is this? Okay, so you are like analyzing everything, okay, whatever you want to do, you like, even if the thoughts and lots of thoughts are coming in your mind, you are analyzing which thought is good and which thought I should cut up. That kind of, because of this analyzing habit you have, you are gaining lots of financial gain, okay, you are gaining lots of financial prosperity in next 6 months, and happiness in your family as well, because of this thinking pattern, okay. I think you are thinking, you're bringing more positive thoughts in your mind, I think that's because of that you're bringing lots of happiness in your family as well. You're surrounded with the family and they are very happy for you, and you're also very happy with them, with your family members, and you're gaining lots of prosperity because of that, okay, that kind of energy. And the last, not the least message is, you are leaving something behind, and you are taking action towards your passion, okay. This can be anything. Some of you are going to be in a spiritual path, or some of you are following your passion, okay. You're going to get going to get so sorry, you're going to go. My god. Okay, so right now, if you are unable to make the decision, because if you take that decision, if you follow your passion, you have to leave your family members. This might be you have to leave current situation, currently whatever you have, that kind of energy. So that's why you were unable to decide right now. But for the next 6 months, the energy is this card says you are going to follow the passion and leave them behind, whatever like you are unable to leave right now, okay. That kind of energy message coming for you. And from your past person message, the first message is dishonesty. By lying, I ripped us apart. So they are regretting about this. They are saying that they have been dishonest with you, and they ripped you apart, okay, to each other, and then that's why they are feeling very bad about themselves right now, okay. They are regretting. And the conversation, I want to call you and hear your voice. Someone or somebody wants to hear your voice. Okay, that kind of message is coming for you. And for the future love, the passion card is coming and giving you guidance. Keep the flame of passion alive. It's the heartbeat of love. Okay, you have to keep the passion in a relationship. Okay, this is the love guidance for you. And imperfections, love is a beautiful mess. Embrace its imperfection. You have to embrace the imperfection is in love. Okay, so that's guidance for the future love. That's it. I hope you received and resonated these messages with you. And it would be nice if you write down in the comment section. If you're watching this video in English, let me know in the comment section, because I put my energies and lots of time to do this reading in Tibetan and also in English. It's like taking lots of time, but if you let me know you're watching in English, then it will be great to create. It makes difference to create in the future as well. Okay, that's why I'm asking, I'm requesting you. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Okay, thank you for the comments. I'll see you soon.